Hi guys, I finally got around to showing you guys the beehive, to building it actually. And swarm season came in, so got me this. This lemongrass oil. Inside here is some wax frames actually. This will not be the final place where it stays, where the beehive stays. It will actually be moved a bit, I'd say a couple meters away. I'd say about 3 meters. I think, yeah, 3 meters away. But now it's actually time to refresh the bait on this with this lemongrass oil. Yeah. Now I got the hive ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna place the lemongrass oil. I already just today put some oil on this lid. It's still full of oil. Just open it up again. I should wipe down this extra oil. It's already been covered in protecting agent. Here we got some frames, mediums. That's all I have. We have wax foundation. What are these frames? Now I'm just gonna place some lemongrass oil in there. As you can see, there's a piece of cardboard that I'm gonna take out now. Take out some frames. Take them out. All these 3 wax frames. Place them at the side of the beehive. Take out this. As you can see, I only have 2 wide frames. This can go. Alright. Oh, the video stopped. So here we have a piece of cotton, some lemongrass one, and I'm gonna quickly bite it. And we have a piece of cotton. Just put a couple drops on it. We go a couple drops on it. This plastic bag inside of it, just like that. I'm gonna fold it back up, like so. And place it on the inside. Now, I'm just gonna move these frames. Put a drop of lemongrass inside a box at each corner where the frame rests are. Drop, like so. And also a drop at the entrance, like so. Now let's just turn around the camera again. It's baited, it's ready again. As you can see, here it is. Put some drops of lemongrass at each corner. So these frames go, and then one right there, and inside there. So now, as you can see, this is only wax foundation. This will go inside of the box, like so. We built this ourselves. Me and my dad built this, and it's ready again. It smells amazing. You can really smell it. Citrusy. There we have it. The beehive is baited again. Place the lid. Just gonna slide it again. Oh, look at my bad camera work. I'll just place a brick on top of it. And just take this lemongrass. The brand is Winrose. It's nice lemongrass oil. See a bit of oil on my fingers. This is not lemongrass. And here's a spot where we're gonna actually place the beehives. It's gonna be right here, this area. This thing's gonna be removed. Might as well remove it now. Yeah, if the swarm trapping doesn't work by August, I'm gonna actually get me some bees. No, spring is until, I don't know, September. But if it doesn't work till August, I'm gonna get me some bees. Hopefully I don't have to do that. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.